Okay, so today we took a demand on gold and I lost. Right? So basically what happened was I took this demand right here at around 8 a.m. this morning. Right? So just looking at it right here, we're going with the trend. It was a pretty bullish day, right? And we had some, it's not great, but if you look just across, we had some break a structure from some highs from yesterday. So it looked good, right? We rejected the zone. It was a strong rejection. And it gave the breaker candle right here. No, to be honest, in hindsight, I don't like the setup just because, and I've seen these types of setups lose before. So perhaps in the future, if I see something like this, I'll probably pass. But if you look at it, right, we have a small candle right here creating the zone. Bullish momentum comes back in, tap the zone, reject, everything's cool. The problem is the breaker candle. Apart from the wicks right here, right? The break of candle is basically at the top of the move that created the demand. Anytime I see setups like that, I don't like them because I feel like I've seen them. I'm gonna do some back testing on them, but I feel like I've seen those lose more often, right? Like just looking at this right here, did this tap? That would have been a much better setup than the one I took, right? You can see also as breaker structure right here, it came back in the zone, it tapped, it took a little while to give the break, and the break was much lower than where the top of this move was that created this demand. This one you see the breaker candle is right here at the top. So I didn't really like it. As soon as I entered it, I felt kind of I was kind of iffy about it, right? So and this is just a 5 minute demand. There was no other time frame confluence that I used to like get into it or just like to manage my trade or anything like that. And as soon as it's like printing these candles, I'm already knowing like yo, we cooked. You know what I'm saying? Look at all those rejections that's forming. I was committed to the trade, stop loss TP, and it was a Monday, so I was just like, staying disciplined and doing what let the market do what it do. But ultimately, this was a bad setup, and boom, boom, stop loss hit. Now, honestly, it was pretty much like it was an early setup, and just looking from London session, we've been bullish. So to think that after damn near creating equal highs right here, that the market would correct, I probably could have waited just to see what the market would do, let the market warm up, especially on a Monday, right? Because this was right at like 7:55 or something. So that was on me. Should have waited, and you know that was that. So we took the L. Follow your strategy to a T. Don't take anything earlier than you should. Don't take more trades than you should. And you'll be okay. Because look what the market did after, right? Now, some people in the group took buys here, but that's not the setup that I like. That's not the one that I felt like I should have been a part of. The trade that caught my eye that I missed is this one. Boom. Created a demand, tapped in, wicked the zone, wicked the 50, wicked the 13, held at 13, breaker candle above the 13, boom. And the breaker candle is not at the top of the move. That's what we like. And this hit 1-to-1 easy. Boom. Let's say 1-to-1 already hit. Alright, this is a 1-to-2. But your 1-to-1 already got hit. And just beautiful, easy money. That's what I should have took. But because I took the loss earlier, I just walked away, which was the right thing to do. I'm not gonna lie, I had some serious FOMO, but I didn't let it determine how I behaved in the market. And at least that's a good thing. But this was definitely the trade, and it happened at 10 o'clock. So definitely within my trading time, and you know, 1 to 2 is hit before it's 1 to 2 gets hit like right before my trading session ends. So that's I missed out on that today. I definitely dropped the ball right there. I should have waited to let the market warm up, and it would have been an easy day for me. But you know, lessons. And that was pretty much the day. There was not much else that went on. I took the trade on both the funded challenge and the personal account. I lost on both, and I called it a day. You know, just looking at it, to me, this just felt like a missed opportunity. It definitely was a missed opportunity. But you know, there's gonna be another day in the market to make money, and I'll be there. So I'll be there, and I'll also be there tomorrow, which is when I will see y'all again. And until then, peace. I'm gonna get the fuck up out of here.